Hello friends, my name is Rajkumar Patel and today we all learn about the WordPress, how to install WordPress and the basic functionality of WordPress. So let's we start. First we start the XAMPP server and I already started the XAMPP server. So that is the started with these two buttons. Just switch it on, stop, and this is the and start again. The XAMPP server is started now. Okay, so friends, first go at wordpress.org and this is the button. The blue button is looking and download the WordPress from here. And the latest version of WordPress is 5.5.1 and I already downloaded. So this can get from the download option of Chrome browser. So this is our file and extract the file and got this one. This is the all file content. So the first of all, this is the admin and WP content, and these are the all plugins folder. The second one is theme folder. We have three themes: 2019, 2017 and 2020. And these all are the included files. So now let's start. Go in localhost, close all these tabs. Just type localhost/WordPress. And friends, I have already installed one WordPress theme. Due to this, I'm just getting this one, the test theme. Now if you start this, then you get the WordPress default theme. And again open another window and just type, open the WordPress admin panel, localhost/wp-admin. So this is the inside structure of WordPress. So this is the dashboard and that is the front page from where we can customize the front page. This is the home page and the first this is the post. The left bar is showing the post section from where we can create new post. This is the new tab, the categories, all categories we have. Here we have just one category now and we can create other categories from here. The category name and the slug. The slug is the URL of the tag. The slug is the URL of category and this is the tag. We do not have any tag, so we can create tags here. From here we can create other posts. We have default hello world post. This is giving the welcome message. Close this and just come back again. And this is the pages section. From here we can create all the pages inside the theme. So from here we can add a new pages. Just give the title of the page, and this is the permalink of the page. This is the featured image. And this is the default template. You can just select home page. So these are the all pages created. This is the front home page. This is the media. In this section, I can include any of the file from my computer to in WordPress. This is got, and this is the URL of the file. Just copy and just paste here. So get the image. Next, this is the comment. Next, from here we can see all the comments by the users. And the next most important section is appearance. The first one is theme. Here we have all the themes installed in my computer, and the theme, this is the top store. This is the theme which I used. I have 3 more themes. This is the 2019, this is the 2017, and this is the 2020. Next, I have a customization option. From this option, I can just customize the theme. This is the customization. From here, just can change the logo and have all these options. In later videos we will discuss all about in detail about all these sections. Next, the third one is the widget section. This is the widget section, and this is our page structure. How many widgets include? This is the footer. First of all, this is the footer. 4 footers we have in our page. This is the first, second, third and fourth. We have these 4 sections. This is the WordPress sidebar, and this is the footer top first widgets. These are the all widgets. This is the header section. This is the primary sidebar and secondary sidebar. This is the primary sidebar and that is the secondary sidebar. So this is the widget section, and the available widgets. These are the available widgets in WordPress, and you can also install other widgets. Next, we have menu section. The menu bar, this is our menu bar, home, and these all options we can also add from here, add to menu, and post customize, and the next is header. From this section we can change the header. This is our the header. This is the head. This is the top one is the header section. Next, and another is last one important is theme editor. From here we can just code the WordPress theme, understand, and this is the whole structure of all the files contained in our WordPress theme. These are the files. This is the footer file, this is the header file, and this is the all files. So you do not need to change anything from here. This is the plugin. From here you can install. From here, from new, add a new button. You can install, add anything, any plugin from your desktop or any external source. These all are the available plugins. You can also download this plugin and can search plugins from here. About few important plugins we will discuss later. And users, from here we can check how many users. You can create users and can delete also users and can modify. This is just we have first admin user. Next, tool section. It's not needed. And this friend, this is the site title. This is the site title. The title of our site is top site. Next, tagline. You can just give a tagline. This is the tagline. Buy for family. Site title, top sites. This is the theme URL. This is our main URL. This is site URL. This is our admin, and this is the language, site language, in which site we have just a language, and save it. So friend, thank you for watching this video. That was the basic introduction of WordPress. What is WordPress? Thank you.